Okay, so this is how a typical CMOS wafer looks like. So as you can see, it's a round shape wafer which has been used to fabricate integrated circuit, in short IC. Usually the diameter of this wafer is about, let's say, 12-inch, or it could also be 8-inch, or it could also be 6-inch. In other words, you can also say the wafer with a diameter of about 200 millimeter is available. Now, what you see on these small square boxes, these are individual integrated circuits. These are individual integrated circuit which has been printed on these silicon based wafer to implement your design. So the dimension of individual squares, for example, we are talking about this square, or let's say this square, is about 1 millimeter each side, 1 millimeter width and 1 millimeter length. So that would be the maximum. It could be 100 by 100 micrometers as well, 200 micrometers by 200 micrometers as well, depends on what it is. So generally in this 200 millimeter wafer size in the diameter, you can have hundreds of silicon dies. I am talking about these small squares, so which are also called as chips, silicon chips, or individual silicon die. So you can have hundreds of such silicon dies on this wafer. Okay, so now this silicon wafer is used to fabricate CMOS integrated circuits, or it could be BiCMOS integrated circuit. That means your circuit design in each individual silicon chip or silicon die consists of circuit elements such as BJTs and CMOS transistors together. Besides that, you can also have resistors, capacitors, and diodes, all these components. Okay, so hope you found this short, brief, but very useful information about how the silicon wafer looks like, what it contains, and what is inside it. So you can see that there are all these silicon dies are available. Okay, stay tuned for more informative contents like this. Till then, wish you happy learning.